Hello, Alessia.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
I'm going to speak about my life in the past week.
Oh, really? Excellent. Go ahead.
I have worked a lot in the stable, looking after horses, feeding, cleaning, water and exercising.
I have worked is today, but this is the past. So we just say I worked.
Okay.
Because it's finished, it's the past.
Okay.
Okay? I worked in the stables. What are you going to speak about? Your day to day or yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yesterday is the past.
Okay.
No.
Because
Sorry.
only I worked a lot in the stable.
Okay.
Looking after horses, feeding, water, cleaning,
Giving them water,
giving the water,
cleaning them.
cleaning them,
Okay.
and the exercises.
And doing.
I'm doing the exercising.
Excellent.
When the weather is nice, it's more pleasant outside.
Okay, now she's speaking in the present simple because it's not yesterday, it's in general. It's a general truth, right?
I really enjoy the sunshine in spring.
And this is the present because this is your likes and dislikes in general. Okay.
I have given, or I given,
What is the past of to give?
is not given.
No, that's a participle. Ese es el que se usa con have. It's what is the past of to give? To give, gave, given.
Given.
Given es el que usamos con el auxiliar have. Pero el present perfect se usa para otras cosas, no para acciones completadas y terminadas. Finished actions is just a past simple. So, I gave
lesson to 10 different clients
okay, to 10 different people
in the past week, in the last week.
last week.
Last week.
Okay, so you say, last week I gave lessons to 10 different people.
Last week I gave lesson to 10 different clients.
Okay, excellent.
I love my job because I get to spend time with Oreo, my horse.
Time with
Oreo, my horse.
Oreo is my horse's name,
Yeah.
right? My horse.
Oreo
Okay.
is
Okay, excellent. So that again, that is in the present simple because you're speaking about your likes and dislikes, your preferences, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is the only boy in my life.
Alright. Excellent.
I also work in a karaoke bar, only 3 days in the week. Only 3 days a week.
3 days a week, okay, but that's present simple because it's a general truth, right? Okay.
I much prefer to work with horse.
I prefer working with horses.
With her.
I prefer working
with horses, as I'm outside in the sunshine. When it's raining, I don't like it so much.
Excellent. That's present simple, general truths, general likes and dislikes.
That's all. Thanks for listening to me.
Excellent. Okay, everybody. Okay. So this was a writing not about yesterday. It was a more general writing, right? It was about yesterday, but also a little bit about your life, about your likes and dislikes, right? So she combined the past simple, but then the present simple and the present continuous too. It was very rich, okay? Okay. Thank you very much, Alessia.
Thanks.